Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to do a parallax mask animation in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and first thing we're going to do is that we're going to add a container. So just click on add element, click on container, and add it here. And then adjust the size of the container to your desired size, like that. And then let's go add an image. Drag it inside the container, and then click on the container, open the inspector tool, and then for the overflow content, make this into hide, like this. And then once you click on the image again, adjust the size to your desired size, and then make sure that it is centered, like this. And then click on the container, click on animations and effects, click on mouse effects, add an effect called track, adjust the animation to distance 50 pixels, and we're done. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to duplicate this container. So click on layers, and then make sure you're clicking the container, then click on these three dots and duplicate it. Then move this other container. You can adjust the size of the section, and then again just duplicate the container to your desired number. And I will add another one right here. Then once you have created all your containers, open up the layers tool again, hold shift in your keyboard, and then select all the containers. Then click on the three dots and place them inside a container. Click on place container. Then after this, what we're going to do is that we're going to open the inspector tool, click on mouse effects, click on add, and click on track. Then for the animation settings, we'll change the distance into 100 and then pointer velocity to 1. And then once we're done, we're going to change the given images for each of the containers. So I will add an image right here. So you can choose anything that you want. So I will choose my images right here that is already uploaded. And then maybe we can just adjust the size. For the last one, I'll just select an image from the gallery. You select this one, click on update, And then once you're done, you can just click on preview. And then when I hover my mouse toward the screen, we have this parallax mask effect that follows around our mouse whenever we move our mouse. And that is how we create a parallax mask animation in Wix Studio. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.